It's building muscle or building a business. Discipline and perseverance are all you need to get better. Hi, I'm Arunava Bhattacharya. I'm a certified sports nutritionist and a personal trainer. Today, I'll guide you on why excess whey protein is a great workout formula. Excess whey protein is a combination of whey protein concentrate and isolate, with the concentrate present in a higher amount. Whey protein concentrate is the first extraction of the whey manufacturing process, and it's retained in its natural form with minimum processing. The concentrate in excess whey is manufactured from cheese whey, which is derived from cow's milk by an ultrafiltration method and has several nutritional benefits, and all without adding any kind of chemicals, preservatives, artificial flavors, or synthetic substances. Excess whey protein has fructose, which is a fruit sugar, and lactose from the whey protein concentrate as its carbohydrate sources. Along with protein, the carbohydrates provide energy and the protein helps us build body tissues, including muscles. So together, the carbohydrates and protein in whey protein help provide a better solution for pre and post-workout. Each scoop of excess whey proteins contains 5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, 12 grams of essential amino acids, around 200 milligrams of calcium. That's almost 33% of the recommended daily allowance. Already, you can see the multiple benefits that a single scoop of excess whey protein offers. But that's not all. Excess whey protein also has sodium caseinates and calcium caseinates, which offer additional benefits, and fiber to help maintain gut motility. Many a times people have issues with digesting whey protein. To help with this, you can check the protein digestibility corrected amino acid score of the whey. This is a global standard established by the World Health Organization, which evaluates protein quality on a scale of 0 to 1, with 0 being the lowest and 1 being the highest. Of course, excess whey protein has a score of 1, the highest possible score, meaning it is a high quality source of protein and easily digested and absorbed by the body. And all of this is made using quality ingredients from around the world, including the USA, Ireland, and Belgium. But it is all locally manufactured in a state-of-the-art 550 crore rupee manufacturing facility right here in India. Located in Madurai, the plant qualifies to be LEED Gold certified and is GMP certified. So you know that not only is it made according to a strict quality standard, but also in an environmentally friendly way. As you can see, the excess whey protein pack is a nice, compact size that will easily fit into your gym bag, which means you can take it to your gym and mix your pre or post-workout shake there itself. It's also got a convenient grip, so the pack is always secure when you're measuring your scoops. And you can have your choice of 2 flavors, vanilla and my favorite, chocolate. And I assure you, they both taste amazing. Guess what? This is the scoop for each pack. It helps you easily measure out your whey. And by the way, you don't have to dig it in to find it. It comes separately. After opening your pack, you can keep the scoop inside for your convenience. So with excess whey protein, you get the trust of Amway, which has been offering top quality and absolutely original products in India for the last 19 years. Along with this, as per the Amway refund policy, you get a 100% money back guarantee, even if the pack is up to 30% used. What more reasons could you need to believe that excess whey protein is probably the best thing to happen to your workout routine? Let's quickly recap. Why is excess whey protein so good? Because each scoop has nutrients that are super useful to you both during and after your workout. It's available in 2 totally amazing flavors. And since it's from Amway, you know that it is of absolutely top quality. So now you can go out there, get on the fast track to feeling and looking great.